Take a ride in the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, privacy glass, rear wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.